In today's video, I will walk you through how to find record type ID in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to the top area of the screen where the gear icon is located. This is where you can access the Setup and Configuration section inside the Salesforce platform. Continue by selecting the gear icon to open the available setup options shown on the screen. After the Setup menu appears, select Setup. Salesforce will then open the Setup page where object management and configuration tools are available. Give the page a moment to finish loading before continuing to the next section. Once the Setup page is fully visible, move to the navigation area and locate Object Manager. Continue by selecting Object Manager to open the section where Salesforce objects and their related settings can be managed. After the Object Manager page loads, move to the search bar displayed near the top section of the screen. Inside the search field, type Contact. Salesforce will begin displaying matching objects connected to the keyword entered into the search bar. When the Contacts object appears in the search results, continue by selecting Contacts. Salesforce will then open the Object Settings page connected to Contacts. Wait a few moments while the page finishes loading. Inside the Contacts Settings page, continue reviewing the options displayed in the menu area. Locate the option labeled Record Types and select it. Salesforce will then display the available record types connected to the Contacts object. After the Record Types page opens, continue reviewing the list shown on the screen. In this example, the available record type displayed is Business Contact. Continue by selecting the record type you want to review in order to locate its record type ID. Once the selected record type page opens, move to the top area of your browser window and review the URL shown in the address bar. The record type ID will appear directly inside the URL connected to that selected record type page. Continue checking the URL carefully until you locate the record type ID value displayed in the address bar. This value is the record type ID connected to the selected Salesforce record type. The process includes opening Setup from the gear icon, selecting Object Manager, searching for the Contacts object, opening Record Types, selecting the required record type, and reviewing the browser URL to locate the record type ID. If any page takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing. Once the record type ID is visible in the browser URL, the process for finding the record type ID in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.